Okay, for today's video, I'm going to be, first of all, I'm going to do two things in this video today. I'm going to be unboxing this knife, and as you tell from my first video, I'm new on YouTube. Don't have any sponsors yet, so this is not sponsored. Now in the future, once my YouTube goes up, then I'll have sponsors and stuff, but for now, we're just going to keep it basic, and I'm going to try to do whatever y'all want me to do. Okay, so now we're going to get with the video. This knife, it's an Ozark Trail knife. It's a glass-filled nylon handle. It has a pocket clip on it, and it also has thumb jimping. And it's assisted opening knife. It's spring assisted. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. Okay. Well, here's the knife out of its package. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, there's the design of it. There's the clip. And now this is what this button is for right here. Now what you do, you just push it, and the knife goes out. And that's it for the knife opening. And now for the second part, I'm going to build a Lego house. It's a basic Lego house. It's going to be small. I'm just doing this because in case nobody, like some kid, happens to wander upon my YouTube channel and they want to know how to build a small, tiny Lego house, then this would be the channel to do that with. And I might make more videos like this in the future, who knows. So what you're going to need, I don't have the exact right parts for this. I would like two pieces like this, right here. But I don't only have one of these so far. And a piece like this. A little tiny piece, same length and everything. So, but what you're going to do, what I'm going to do, is you're going to put it on the bottom of this Lego piece right here. You need two of these too, by the way. Two of these pieces. And what you're going to do is you're going to stick it on, and you want to leave off a little tiny, as I would say, a little dot of the Lego that you have, the long piece. You want to leave off a little dot right there. Now what you're going to do is stick the other piece on. But you're going to stick it on to where it's like that. But you also want to leave off another little dot of the Lego right there. You're going to leave that on there. And then you stick the other piece on the same way you stuck the first piece on. Only this piece is wider, so it has two. But it only has one coming out that way on each side. Now there's your first part of your Lego house. Now what you're going to do is, it doesn't matter what color I use. You just do that. And then you stick it on there like that. Then you stick it on there like that. Look at these. And then you just do that all the way around until you get finished, and I'll be back to show you the rest of the video. Okay, now I'm not going to make it too big because I'm running out of Legos. But now we're just going to make the roof, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. So what I use is this. Doesn't really matter, I guess, what you use. I guess it's all about preferences you like. So what I'm going to do is this. That. Now this is going to be a flat roof. And it's going to be uneven, but hey, it's a roof. Okay, I'm having difficulties. I will be back here in a second. And there you go. There's your finished house. There's your finished Lego house. That's it for this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video and comment what you want me to do next. And I will see you on the next one.